don't mind that. The space is small where I can keep the equipment, so. Hey sugar, I'm Ro the Black Magnolia, your favorite bougie babe, bringing you all your bougie but budget-friendly tips and faves, and a little bit of everything in between. Today's some of the in-between. I've never tried Ilia makeup before. I've walked past it in Sephora a lot, because again, I'm in Sephora a lot. And I just never really thought of it as something that I wanted to try or that I needed to try. I was out with one of my besties yesterday on a lunch date, and I said, let's stop by church. Sephora, and we did. She swears by Ilia. She really loves the foundation. I like a good old foundation stick every once in a while though, and that's this new Ilia Skin Rewind Complexion Stick. Those of us in the over 40, close to 50 club know Skin Rewind is something that we could definitely benefit from. We're aging every day. Our skin is aging every day. We're aging from the day that we're born. It just happens a little bit more noticeably the older that we get. So we're always looking for ways to make our skin look its beautiful, most radiant best. My bestie said, I love Ilia. It's really nice. It's clean makeup. This says it is weightless, firming, smoothing, ceramide peptide complex, butterfly lavender, kelp extra. Where is this from? Bikini Bottom? I don't know, but we're going to try it, because if Bestie likes it, I like it. The stick is very ergonomic. Like, it's got the little divot here. I don't know if you can see it with all the, there's a little divot here for you to hold it. They thought of everything. Oh, when we were in the store and I was trying to try it on, they were sitting like this. I was trying to take this off to put the makeup on. Yeah, it's already open. Sure is. Sure is. So my first impression of this foundation when I tried it on my hand in the store was that it was lovely. This is the color 38C Jara. Okay, let's see. Love it. It feels lovely. It just, it feels perfect. It feels like spreading butter all over your skin. Maybe that's the butterfly extract in it. I don't know, but we're gonna try it on. I'm going to powder up and then see you back here in a moment. I am trying to go for like a minimal look today, so I don't want to put on a ton of makeup, but I also don't want to go out naked faced. Let us, why am I shaking a foundation stick? Okay, first test on the skin. You can't even see it. You can't even see that it's there. I love that for me. Okay, well, we're just gonna go with it and put it everywhere then, okay? Okay. I'm not using any concealer. Well, I will under my eyes because she did not sleep. But I'm gonna put a little bit of this under there too. Now let us blend. I like this. Oh my. This is nice. This feels really, really nice. I think I'd like to put it on with a sponge better than with a brush because of the texture. But I'm already in here, so we're just gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna put any concealer on. I feel like it just makes me look moisturized and hydrated and awake. And like I said, we're going super minimal today. We're just gonna put on a little bit of, carve out the nose a little bit. I think that this Ilia is a 10 out of 10. It's even making me want to look a little bit more dewy than I usually like to look. I really like it, and I think that I'm going to put this in the rotation. I am super down, and I think you should be down too. So this Scan Rewind, living up to its name. I like it. I'm going to just put a little bit more in my hairline because, you know. Okay. She good. You dewy goddess, you. Go out there and get it. Okay, now I really gotta go. Bye.